Well, hello guys, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I'm excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to make some squeezable wax melts. Now, these are not just your average squeezable wax melts. These are the fall ones, and I'm going to give you guys all of my fall recommendations for super strong fragrances. Anyway, guys, if you want the recipe, it will be linked in the description box. It will be in my Patreon. And guys, if you have not joined the Patreon, it is the perfect time to do so. My Patreon is full of candle making recipes, skincare recipes. We have so much there. We have live classes. You have so much support. We have a 24-hour chat. Usually I'm in there all the time giving you guys vendors. You never have to worry about where you buy things from because I provide everything you need, even your wick sizes. Pouring temperatures, you name it, I hand it all to you on a silver platter. Anyway, guys, let's talk about everything you're going to be needing today. So these are the bags that I'm going to be using for my squeezable wax melts. Now, you can get the ones that point straight up, or you can get the ones that have the spout going a little bit to the side. Either way around, both of those bags work the same. I purchased these bags off of Amazon because usually on Amazon I get them pretty cheap. But I ain't gonna lie to you, things have been definitely taking a hike on Amazon, so I'm going to search around to see where I can find these bags at a very low price. Today, we are not using the soy wax that we normally use because I realized that parasoy wax work a whole lot better for squeezable wax melts. Now, guys, if you don't want to join the Patreon, I'll just place this recipe inside the description box so you can purchase this as well. I'll be using bourbon butterscotch today. This is one of my favorite fall scents. I'll be using some mica powder today. I don't use candle dye inside of squeezable wax melts because I find mica to be much more brighter and prettier. You can use your glow in the dark colors and also your high neons and things of that sort. Anyway, guys, I'm not going to talk your head off. You can use any carrier oil of choice. Today I'll be using canola oil, but listen, you could definitely use vegetable oil, you can use mineral oil, you can use MCT. Like I said, the cheaper, the better. What you're going to do is you're going to fill your heat-proof container with your carrier oil. You're going to melt down your wax, and also you're going to slightly warm up your carrier oil. Now, you could use your crock pot, double boil, the pot that you normally make your candles in, or you can use a heat gun and just kind of blast it with the heat gun for a little bit. Either way around, just make it a little bit warm in order to keep it from clumping up when you add everything together. Because you heated your wax up to a higher temperature, it is best that you take your fragrance oil and mix it into the wax directly and not into the carrier oil. Now use your spoon or your spatula and keep stirring until everything is evenly combined. Now is the perfect time to add your carrier oil. Now, if you are using micas, you want to go ahead and separate your batch. I separated mine into two because I'll be using purple and orange. Now that I've added my purple mica, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a stir. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and transfer it to your bags. Now you want to go ahead and repeat the same process for the orange. Can't we all just agree that making these wax melts are pretty darn easy? When you are finished, you want to allow them to sit in the cabinet, on the shelf. Give them about 2 weeks because they are like wine. They definitely get better with time. Well, guys, I am finished. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss the up and coming videos that will be featured on this channel. And guys, listen, these squeezable wax melts came out perfect. I love them. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys again.